Stay informed in the context of cryptocurrency investing emphasizes the importance of staying up to date with relevant information to make informed decisions. Here's an explanation of the key components. 1. Follow cryptocurrency news. Regularly read news articles, updates, and analysis related to the cryptocurrency market. This includes information about major cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and significant events within the crypto space. Cryptocurrency news sources, reputable blogs, and forums can provide insights into market trends, new projects, and potential influences on the overall market sentiment. 2. Be aware of factors influencing the market, such as regulatory changes. Cryptocurrency markets can be sensitive to regulatory developments. Stay informed about any changes in regulations or government policies that may impact the legality or acceptance of cryptocurrencies. For example, announcements of regulatory support or restrictions in various countries can influence market prices and investor sentiment. Why staying informed matters. Market awareness. Being aware of market trends helps you make more informed decisions about when to buy, sell, or hold your investments. Risk management. Understanding factors like regulatory changes allows you to anticipate potential risks and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. Opportunity recognition. Staying informed enables you to identify new investment opportunities, emerging technologies, and promising projects in the cryptocurrency space. If there is news about a country planning to adopt cryptocurrencies as legal tender, it could lead to increased adoption and a positive impact on the prices of certain cryptocurrencies. Conversely, regulatory uncertainties or bans in significant markets may lead to market corrections and impact the value of cryptocurrencies negatively. In summary, staying informed involves actively seeking and absorbing information about the cryptocurrency market. This knowledge empowers investors to make educated decisions, manage risks effectively, and capitalize on opportunities that may arise in the dynamic and evolving world of cryptocurrencies.